Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how can you add the space rotation transition effect in CapCut. You can find the space rotation and transition. Before you can select your videos or images or just photos you like to edit. Go to transition and select camera. Scroll down, you can find space rotation 1, 2, 3. So this is proof, like you have to join properties to be able to use this effect. So you can see for the space rotation 1, and you can adjust for the duration of the transition. You can apply it to all the clips. You can see for the final result. That's it. You can change space rotation to it's so super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.